Fossil fuels, alternative energy, global warming. These are things we deal with in everyday life. But do we really know how they work? Hi, I'm Zach Guy, and today we're going to be talking about energy and its effect on the planet. Now, everyone uses energy, but what they don't know is what fossil fuels do to the environment. It causes global warming, and we're trying to find alternatives to these problems. Since humans have had the power to harness and use energy, we've used fossil fuels. Fossil fuels, a non-renewable resource, which means it can run out, is created from organic material decomposing to carbon, which is created into a fossil fuel. In this diagram, I'm going to show you exactly what fossil fuels are. Now, there are three different fossil fuels. The first one is coal, which is a solid fossil fuel. The next one is oil, which is a liquid fossil fuel. And the last one is any kind of natural gas, and that one is a gas fossil fuel. Now you know what all the fossil fuels are. The big question on everyone's mind is, how do we get fossil fuels to power our homes? Well, it's quite simple, really. When fossil fuels are combusted to heat water to create steam, they turn turbines, which turn magnets to create electrons, which are harnessed into electricity for our houses. And that's how fossil fuels power our houses and everything we use. Because fossil fuels are so limited these days and cause global warming, we're turning towards alternatives. A well-known alternative is nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is very good because it causes no pollution and it's very abundant. A bad thing, though, is it creates nuclear waste. Also, there's a safety concern where people are concerned that there will be a meltdown. Another alternative resource is biomass. It's renewable, which means it can be used over and over again. It's good because it's cheap and very abundant, but there's a problem with it. It causes a lot of pollution from the burning of the organic materials. Another alternative energy source is hydroelectric. It's perpetual, which means it never runs out. A good thing, though, is there's no pollution whatsoever. Some bad things, though, is it's very regional and can kill fish. There are other alternative resources, and there are new ones being made every day. It's a good thing to weigh the pros and cons of these to find out which one's the best. Global warming is one of the negative effects of burning fossil fuels. When burning fossil fuels, certain things can happen, like polar ice caps melting and causing flooding, or tropical diseases spreading around the world. When burning these fossil fuels, large amounts of CO2 are released into the air, causing the greenhouse effect, which in turn heats up the earth and causes more global warming. We're all very aware of the effects of global warming on us and the planet. It is up to us to stop our prehistoric ways of burning fossil fuels, find alternatives, and save our planet.